Hey everyone, today we go camping. We have an epic camp and cook in the Switzerland's wild countryside. Let's uncover the hidden gems of this beautiful country. So in this video you will discover how to experience Switzerland like a local. We will camping, we go walking and hiking a little bit, and of course we cook a yummy dinner together. So let's enjoy.
We are in the countryside of Switzerland. We plan to camping here, grilling and sleeping, a little bit exploring here. So I'm a little bit excited because I come from Thailand and this is the first time around here in the camping. We are now is near farmer. So we will check what will happen today and tonight. We will set the tent and cook dinner together. Come with me. I will show you what we cook.
This is a pork sausage with Bärlauch, with a herb inside. Then we have some corn. Pepper.
sausage, corn, and beef. This is here.
Try the sausage first.
Lovely.
Okay. Salty a little bit, right?
Yeah. The beef.
Good morning. Nej.
This is our tree cup. This is good. Yummy, yummy. And now we just wait until the water boils. Wow, you smell? Don't smell. This is mine. Camper.
How about your sleep?
Not good.
Not good. You have cold, right?
Oh, it's too cold for me. Now drink a coffee with Mickey Mouse. It's too hot. But it's yummy. Morning with coffee is very good. Yeah, it makes the body get fresh.
Really?
Yeah, very good. Really?
Wow. Yummy. So, what we have here, Schatz?
We have sausage, we have cucumber, we have avocado, and we have a fly egg with water. And this radish. And now I will begin to eat.
Yeah. Enjoy.
Yeah, you can see it when I eat. With the sausage, cannot use the hand. Also, it's yummy. Cucumber. So good.
Good.
This one with avocado. The egg, very good. Here, with this. Wow. Perfect.
Breakfast with a view. And now it's also hotter, the temperature around 20 degrees.
We booked this nature camp with Nomadic Camp. You can find the website link in the description below. At here, the price is 50 Swiss francs.